Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Hyper Hyperdrive Hyperpack Pro backpack. Works with Apple Find My and can support up to a 16-inch laptop. This is a 22-liter backpack. Some quick information here. This also uses Cordura fabrics. Has the Find My key at the top. We'll show you how that works. It has a Rfid pocket for your passport and your wallet and such. It supports up to 16-inch computer and a tablet. There's different slots for that. So it protects from water seeping into the backpack. Here's some more information. If you get the Hyper 245 watt battery, you can plug it in at the bottom and then run the cord through the backpack and charge your computer while it's in the backpack. We'll show you that as well. And this also fits on your telescoping luggage rail right there. There's some more information about that. Okay, and again, Cordura fabrics. All right, so right on the outside here, we have two pockets right there. Here's a key catch right there, pocket down here, and then at the top as well, there's a zipper. So that's a smaller pocket maybe for your glasses. It's padded. Okay, now we're going to go inside. Okay, so down here at the bottom, you can plug in that battery, the 245 watt mega battery from Hyper. And then right here is the power pass-through. So you can put the cable through here. So you have spots for various pens. Up here is your RFID slot right here, and it shows you RFID right there. And going further into the backpack, you have a mesh pocket right here with a zipper. You can put documents or whatever you need right in this spot right here, and it goes all the way down. You can fit items all the way down to the base of the backpack, and there's padding down there, so if you set down your bag, it won't crush your computer or other piece. This is a zippered compartment right here, also from end to end of the backpack. Power pass-through right here. And then up here, this is what everyone's excited for. It's the Find My button. You can install it and press it, and it will link with your app on your phone. And it's Find My, so it works with the iPhone. And then here's power pass-through right here. It's a slot for the cable. And then right here is your area for your tablet. And then this is for your computer. It's padded on both sides, so that's nice. It won't scratch. And then on the back, we have the nicely padded shoulder pads. Another zippered compartment in the back, and this is padded here and here. We also have a pocket on the side, as you can see, power pass through right there, and this zippers up as well. That's nice. There's a handle right here with the Hyper brand, and on the other side of the backpack as well, another zippered compartment, and all of the zippers are not on one side, so it makes it easy to not drop anything out of the backpack. And then here's the front again. It looks sleek on the outside, but there's plenty of storage space for the inside, but really the piece de resistance is this right here. Works with Apple Find My. So you can track your backpack and figure out where it is if you happen to drop it off at a friend's house or even in a rideshare. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and we're very excited to try this out, the Hyperdrive Hyper Backpack Pro.